Welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see how to install Chrome in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First open the Microsoft Edge and here type Chrome and just hit enter. Now you will get this website, that is www.google.com, and it is for the Chrome for desktop. So click on this link. You will get this page, and here we have the download option. So click on this and it will start automatically downloading. It is just an 10 MB file. So let's wait till downloading complete. If it not started download automatically, you just click on this link and it will get download. So we have completed the download and it is an exe file. So let's open and let's run it or install it. So it is showing downloading. It will take small amount of time to download. So let's wait till this downloading complete. Completing the download process, you will get this page. So we have completed the Chrome download in Windows 11. So you can just sign in, or you can just click on the don't sign in and you can use the Chrome driver. So in this way you can install the Chrome driver in Windows 11 operating system.